Guys, welcome back to another video of Dash AutoWorks. In today's video, this is part 2 series of the 750 rebuild. We got her torn apart. So far, we have replaced the battery fuse back here because it wasn't starting or turning on. Unfortunately, the battery is dead, so we have to charge it up. But we got the whole new everything, radiator supports, everything. Sabri found it, whole assembly. But unfortunately, the condenser was broken, so we had to get a new one. And then we found some more hidden damage back here. The crank pulley was damaged, so we got a new one from the dealer. And this trans lines were broken, this one. So we had to fix this one, brand new from the dealer. And we're gonna have to put trans fluid in it. New vacuum line, because this one was broken. See, it's all new. Got that. So right now we're gonna put the new condenser in. We're gonna slide this whole thing on, and hopefully we're gonna have it running today. I transferred over these locks, this pump, water pump, the horns. I don't know why I switched the horns, but I wanted to. The old ones looked crusty, so I changed them. And then I think the airbags are on the way. We're thinking maybe black headliner, since it has to come down anyways, but maybe. The gray's ugly. I don't know if you guys saw the inside of it. Got Bowers and Wilkins, full leather, clean. Has the Sky Lounge roof, so this lights up. This piece all lights up like LEDs. It's pretty sick. Executive. Look at this. Boom. This thing's a cruiser. You got anything back here? Nope. Here? Just cup holders. Just stuff. Okay. We're gonna get that whole front end piece on, and then hopefully we're gonna hear it. We started it already, it runs, but we want to leave it running longer so the battery can charge up and stuff, and it'll be movable. Alright, we're tightening the screws on this fucking thing. So right now, we got these 3 in. It was a pain in the butt to get it in. These 2 that hold it. Sabri's tightening these. Good 7 series, bro. Thing's gonna be a unit. I guess we're gonna put it back down. Maybe put these coolers. There's another water pump here. And we're gonna start it, right?
Hopefully no issues.
Hopefully no coolant leaks.
Yeah, it's gonna run mint.
Yeah.
And then just body work.
Alright guys, she's ready to be started. We're filling up the coolant. I don't see any leaks, so I think we're okay. Don't worry about that. That is just overspill. What are you doing? Are you excited? What are you doing? You wanna break it? Yeah, you broke it.
Even here?
Yeah.
The lights don't work.
I think maybe.
No.
You know, it's a shame we couldn't.
Oh, it is. Look, hold it.
Oh shit.
Oh, it lights up good.
Look at the sky. Pretty cool. We just want to record me struggle? Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, it's dead. Get another jumper pad.
epic fail. My back hurts.
Ouch. Go ahead. He didn't fall for it.
Dude, he's done that to me like 10 times. Oh, just so you guys know, BMW came in clutch with this model and they incorporated a dipstick. So it has oil in it. We'll drive it. She's purring. What do you think? I'm talking to you, what do you think? No? Nothing? What do the guys in the comments think? Things running like a unit. She's running. She's up to temperature. We bled the system. She's good. It's actually running really nice, really smooth. It's up to temperature as you guys can see. Purring. I think next we have to order a hood, headlight. Have to put all this back together. So for the most part, I wanted to make sure engine was good first. Everything is good. No leaks. No leaks. I'd call it a win for today. This one was nice because it was a whole assembly, so it comes with the radar, the shutters, everything was ready to put together, so we didn't have to take it all apart like all of that stuff. Way easier to put back together.
She's running like a brand new car.
Brand new car. Nijo pulled up in the unit. Would you guys believe this unit only has like 5,000 miles? And it's not destroyed?
Not yet.
I just detailed it. It's my grandpa's Mint, right? It has the airbag sticker and everything. It'll be on Bring a Trailer in 20 years. But pretty sick, right? He said he's so good that there's not even a check engine light.
Did you hear what I said?
Yeah.
There's something on the warranty anymore, right?
Step 2 bodywork.
No, 18 is warranty. No, last year it ended warranty. Warranty? Only my M5 needs warranty. It's running good, so we deserve a chocolate. You guys ready?